Looking for the perfect table saw that balances power and convenience? Stick around, because these models will blow you away. The Bosch GTS15 portable table saw immediately stands out with its robust build and professional-grade performance. Designed for both mobility and precision, this saw offers a powerful motor paired with a spacious cutting surface that handles large pieces effortlessly. Have you ever struggled with bulky saws that don't move with you? This Bosch model addresses exactly that. What really impressed me is the smoothness of the cuts and the easy-to-adjust fence system, which ensures you get consistent results every time. The integrated safety features and dust collection port make working not only cleaner, but safer. Using it feels like having a reliable workshop partner that never lets you down. If there's one thing to consider, it's that this saw is a bit on the heavier side, which might be noticeable if you transport it frequently. However, the durable design justifies the weight for those who prioritize stability and accuracy. The DeWalt portable table saw is a fantastic option for those seeking a balance between performance and price. This compact saw delivers impressive cutting power and has a solid, user-friendly design perfect for job sites or home workshops. Can a portable saw really keep up with more expensive models? DeWalt proves it can. Its standout feature is the rack and pinion fence system, which allows for quick, accurate adjustments, a detail that makes a huge difference in workflow. The saw also includes a dust collection system and a stable stand, providing comfort and efficiency during long work sessions. What I loved most was how easy it was to set up and carry around without sacrificing cutting quality. It feels sturdy yet surprisingly light, making it perfect for those who need mobility without losing power. The Prostomer table saw offers an appealing entry point for hobbyists or those new to woodworking. It's compact and surprisingly versatile given its price point. Have you ever wished for a table saw that's both budget-friendly and functional? This model tries to fill that gap. Equipped with a decent motor and adjustable cutting angles, the Prostomer handles a variety of materials with reasonable ease. It comes with safety features like a blade guard and a riving knife, which is reassuring for beginners. The setup is straightforward, making it accessible for anyone stepping into DIY projects. When using it, the saw gives you a sense of control and confidence. Though it's best suited for lighter tasks rather than heavy-duty cutting, it's a perfect starter saw to get a feel for table saw work without a big upfront investment. The Skill portable table saw strikes a fine balance between entry-level affordability and decent performance. If you need a compact saw for occasional projects, this might be just what you're looking for. Ever struggled with oversized tools that just sit in the corner? The Skill offers a practical solution. Its features include a powerful motor for its class, a foldable stand for easy storage, and a rip fence that helps keep your cuts straight and consistent. The saw also has an efficient dust collection port that helps keep your workspace tidy. What I found most appealing was how lightweight and easy to maneuver it is, which makes it great for small jobs and quick setup. The cutting experience is smooth, and the saw feels stable during operation. The Weaver table saw is an affordable tool that surprises with its features and versatility. Are you in search of a budget saw that doesn't compromise too much on performance? This model comes closer than you might expect. It boasts a solid motor that can handle a variety of materials, along with an adjustable blade angle and a rip fence system. The tabletop is spacious enough for most small to medium projects, and the saw's design includes safety mechanisms like a blade guard and anti-kickback pals. Using the Weaver, I noticed it offers decent precision and control, making it a good fit for hobbyists or occasional users who want reliable results without spending a fortune. The dust collection is effective enough to keep the workspace manageable. The Evolution R8 table saw is a standout thanks to its unique multi-material cutting capability. Perfect if you work with wood, metal, or plastic. Have you ever wished for a saw that could handle several materials without switching tools constantly? The R8 offers exactly that. It features a powerful motor and a blade that stays sharper longer, plus a well-designed fence system for precision cuts. The built-in dust extraction port and foldable stand add convenience and keep the work area clean. What I enjoyed the most was the versatility and strength packed into a portable frame. It's a great saw for those who need more than just wood cutting without investing in multiple machines. The cutting performance feels professional and consistent. The VGJ table saw is an ultra-budget option that surprises with its simplicity and effectiveness for small projects. Are you looking for a no-nonsense saw that gets basic jobs done without fuss? This VGJ model fits that description well. It comes with a modest motor, a basic rip fence, and a compact size that's easy to store and transport. While it doesn't have many bells and whistles, it covers the essentials for light-duty cutting. The blade guard adds a layer of safety that beginners will appreciate. Using it felt straightforward and manageable, especially for crafts or small woodworking tasks. It's not a tool for heavy or frequent use, but it's perfect for those who need an affordable introduction to table saws.